Hello friends, yes, today let me show Jordan 13 lateral black color. Yeah, here's overview of the shoes. You can see the shoes features, black and red color. Yeah, the toe. Yeah, made out of black color. Firstly, combo leather. Both quarter. Yes, made out of black color mesh with the 3M thread inside. Yeah. Okay, and then market made out of red color suede material, and here's the hologram. Yes, the real hologram. Okay, the time made out of black color suede material as well, with the red German logo and powder stitching. And here is the tongue, the Jordan label on the tongue. Okay, black tongue lining, color lining, and black inner sole with the red German logo on the inner sole. Okay, here's the EVA sole. Yeah, here's the EVA sole with the red suede cover the EVA sole. Black, white, and the red logout sole. Yeah, with the real carbon fiber. Here's the real carbon fiber on the sole, and the Jordan strap on the sole as well. Okay, and then the shoes come with the original Jordan shoes box. Here's the box label. Yeah, you can see here the shoes looks perfect. So if you like them, you can place your order on my site of lightcakes.net, or you may connect by my WhatsApp. Thank you.